Nature is the source of health. If you want to be healthy, if you want to have a long lifespan, that you can be active even up to old age, then the best way how we can reach this is by connecting to the nature, spending energy in the nature, being active in the nature, appreciating nature, loving nature. This is really something that will improve your life quality. Either you're young now or you're old, you can do it, and this will really boost up your emotional and physical health. There are different energies that we can get from the nature. One of the energy is peacefulness. If you want to be peaceful, if you want to be relaxed, if you want to be calm, not disturbed by all little things, if you want to tolerate your close persons, you want to tolerate people that you work with and so on, then this energy of peacefulness can be gained either from water. If you go to the river, you swim in the river, you swim in the lake, in a sea or ocean, you swim in a relaxed way, you swim synchronically or rhythmically with the water, you flow, your movements are flowing, you relax, you appreciate it, then you will gain this energy of peacefulness. If you don't have access to a river or a lake or any other natural water reserve, then also a bath or a swimming pool is a good option, and mentally you can appreciate or connect with the nature water reserve. You can think about river, you can think about lake, and so on. Similarly, we can gain the same energy of peacefulness by practicing static exercises, by sitting down in some meditation position or standing. Ideally, you can do it in the nature besides a tree. You can stand next to a tree, you can sit down next to a tree. Tree is a source of a lot of this energy of peacefulness and relaxation. And if the tree is more wide, if the tree trunk is more wider than you, if it's more fat than you, then this energy of peacefulness will come into your body if you are standing still or sitting still to a tree. So just sit down, relax, do some meditation, and it will be difficult to sit in one position. Maybe your leg gets numb or this gets numb, but if you try your best, then the same energy of peacefulness will come into you. This type of exercise, just to calm down, to sit down, relax, get this peaceful energy from the nature, it is very necessary for the people nowadays, because most of the people are experiencing a lot of tension, a lot of stress. So if you want to gain more this peaceful energy, ability to tolerate, to be calm in difficult situations, then just sit down, and especially sit down next to a tree. You will gain a lot of this energy.